daughter's success. Hobbies, dancing or doing TikTok dance challenge, working out, and walking. Religion, Roman Catholic. Motto, there is no way to be the perfect mother, but a million ways to be a good one. Best lesson in life, dili maminaw sa mga ginasulti nga dili maayo sa laing tao para hanay ang daghan sa akong life. Dagan sa akong life. What makes you happy? Being able to witness my daughters grow into a wonderful woman. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 5 is Josephine Ibora.